Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put applications on full screen on this device. So let me show you how to do it by opening a window. And now to put it on a full screen, you can either double tap the top bar of the window, then to demaximize it, double tap it again. Alternatively, you can grab the top bar of the window and drag it to the top of the screen, and then drag it down to demaximize it. Or the third option is to click this icon, square icon in the top right corner of your window, and then you can click it again to demaximize the window size. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.